If your iPhone hotspot isn't working, here are some fixes you can try. The first thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Now scroll down and select mobile services. Here make sure mobile data is turned on. If it's already on, switch it off and then back on again. Next, you want to head over to personal hotspot. If it's on, turn it off and then back on. Leave it on this page and check whether the hotspot works now. If it still isn't working, turn it off again. Now head over to general. Then tap on About. At the top, you will find the name. Select that. Now go ahead and change the name. You can slightly change the name of your iPhone, add a number, letter, or make small adjustment. After that, return to personal hotspot, switch it back on and test again. If you're still having issues, you want to restart your iPhone. To do that, press the volume up button and then volume down button, and finally hold the side power button until the screen goes black. Release the button when the Apple logo appears and your iPhone will restart. Hopefully, this is going to solve the hotspot problem. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.